You're going to want to start off with your base. As you can see, I've already laid down mine. And then we just jump right into this beautiful Jawbreaker mini. I am feeling this fantasy. This is just a stunning palette. And we're going to get into this two-tone glitter cut crease. And if you are willing to step by step take you on a journey, let me take you on a journey, girl, to get this beautiful look. And when it all comes together, sweetie, you won't be disappointed. Let's go. I start off with the Morphe M506 brush, and I roughly carve out where I want my cut crease to be. I just go in with Purple Punch and I just pat on the product. Now that's done, now I know roughly where I would like to have the cut crease moment. I dip in with a little bit of foreplay. This is a sickening, darker than the bubblegum pink, but it has a like slight purple undertone, which is just beautiful, and it's so pretty and pigmented. And I literally just roughly again pat on the product on the outline and then bring it up to my eyebrow, and then I'm going to use a different Morphe brush to blend that all out. For this I'm going to be using the M456 brush. Here we go. Then I go back in with the Morphe M506 brush and I dip back into Purple Punch, and I go back in and bring some of that dimension that we just lost with the pink, and I just pat on the product just to fill in the gaps again. Then I use the Morphe M433 brush and I just blend the edges. When you got the blend that you want, you're going to want to then go on to cut your crease. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define, and I'm going to take just a little on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take the Morphe M224 brush to cut my crease. Now that's done, I went in with this beautiful Oral, and it's a very cute iridescent purple. It has this beautiful shimmer on it, just absolutely stunning. And I went to pack it on half of my cut crease. Let's go. Oh, it's such a cool iridescent color. It's absolutely stunning. Then I went to finish the cut crease with this beautiful gold moment called Slice. When I first put my hand in Slice, and I thought how buttery and creamy it was, and then when I swatched it, forget all the glitter and stuff, but when I swatched it, it's just absolutely stunning. But it's more pigmented and more popping on the eyelid. As you know, hand swatches and all of that don't mean a damn thing. It's how it looks on the eye, and believe me, it's stunning. It's stunning. Let's go. Make sure to blend the edges, blend the middle, so that it just falls into the color effortlessly. The combination is absolutely stunning. Ooh, honey, honey, honey. Feeling this palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. If you haven't got it, pick it up. You will not be disappointed, especially if you are a person who loves color. This is the palette for you. It's mini, it's portable, it's literally everything that you need. I feel like we can now go in with this purple, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix some of this pigment with a little bit of concealer, see if we can get a beautiful wing out of it. Let's see. I then went in with Revolution Glitter Bomb in Out Out just to line my cut crease. It's such a beautiful fiery glitter. I mix it with a little bit of fixing gel, and once I get the consistency that I want, I then go in and line my cut crease. Now that's done, we're going to use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara to prep our eyelashes for some nice falsies. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my look off camera and then come back and finish this eye tutorial. Now that's done, we are going to use the Gerard's Cosmetics pencil in Red Brick Road. We're going to use this to line our waterline. Love a red waterline. I just think it just makes your eyes just look bigger and it just like wow. We're gonna go back in with the mini Jawbreaker palette and we're just going to smoke out our underline. I'm going to use Bite Me, which is this beautiful shimmery purple moment, and we're just going to smoke out the under eye. Then you want to go and hit your bottom lashes with some nice mascara. I'm just going to use a nice little feather brush, very cute, very tiny. I love this brush. I am really feeling statuesque, so I'm going to dip into her, ooh, ever so lightly, because she is pigmented to the gods, honey. Let's highlight the brow bone. Ooh, blinding. And it goes so well with the look. I'm shook. It picks up like a dream, so be careful. But if you're like me, I like to be glowing, so this does not bother me whatsoever. This is literally the palette for me. I love being extra, I love golds, I love blinding silvers, so this is just to die for. That's why I love Jeffree Star products, because he literally always delivers. Now that's done, I'm going to do my lips and do my eyes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with the end of this video. And that is the look, guys. Oh my god, I had so much fun with you guys. This is such a sickening palette. I don't know what else to tell you, girl. It's a mini, it's portable, it's beautiful. Go and get you some mini Jawbreaker and get yourself together. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you have followed along, because I enjoyed myself, and I'll see you on the next one.